Going up north is a 45 minutes long ride going to Del Carmen from General Luna, but the view of the greens along the way makes the trip more longer if you want to stop to appreciate the scenery and take pictures. At Del Carmen Tourist Center, they will show you a laminated brochure which you can pick a tour from A to D. If you have a budget, you can pay for the whole private tour. It took us around 20 minutes boat ride from Del Carmen Dock. You might get scared as this is what you can see at the boat dock. They caught this a very long time ago, so you don't have to be scared. There are areas which is a little hard to navigate the boat when low tide because of rocks, corals, and sea plants. Kawhagan is a small island and is one of those islands in Siargao that will offer you glistening white sandbar that is completely exposed on low tide. There are small wooden hats to hang out and sit down to relax. This is the jump-off point for lunch, selling traditional Filipino dishes, drinks, and snacks are also available for purchase. The lunch payment is included from the tour package that you avail in Del Carmen, which is a tandem tour with Sugba Lagoon, and also your boat ride payment is included. After eating, you can stroll under the palm trees to explore the locals who live there, or walk along the shore or swim in the sea, but a lot of sea plants are inhabiting nearby, so sometimes it's scary or hard to swim by. Always wear your life vest because you will experience small rough waves when getting out of Kawhagan Island, as you need to go around the sea to go inside the islet of mangroves to get to Sugba Lagoon. I hope my experience helped you in this video and try to explore it when you visit the island of Siargao. Thank you so much people for watching Exploring jelaiZki's videos, and I'll see you all in another one.